Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I am going to be bringing you a handbag unboxing video. So if you like these types of videos, please let me know in the comments below or thumbs up the video and I will do more for you. So I ordered this bag in December. It came rather quickly. I think it ships from the UK, and I bought this bag for about $360, including tax. So I think the price for a leather bag is very reasonable. The brand is Mario or Valentino by Mario. And I'm so excited about this bag because I do not like shopping for black bags. I think black bags are rather basic for me. And if you know my style when it comes to handbags, the louder, the better. And this is a bag that I'm very excited about. The last bag I was excited about was the black What's in My Bag video from about 9 years ago. I'll post a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about, but it was embellished and beautiful. Now recently my wife did buy me 2 black bags, but they also have character, and I'll show you that in a later video. But for right now, this is it. I was waiting to open it so you guys could see it as well. It comes with a large dust bag here. And this is the bag. It is beautiful. And it is massive. So this bag is grain leather. It is soft. It is beautiful. It says Valentino Milano. And so the size, the dimensions, the bag across is 16 inches. In depth is 8. In height, it's 12.5. And if you include the handles, it is 19 inches. So this is a monster of a bag. And it reminds me a little bit of the Birkin style. For some reason, although it is a little domed up top, it's not as square. But let's take a look. So it has a turn closure here, and it says Valentino. That's really nice. It's kind of bold there, and it's easy to twist. And you open it. Oh, and it has little buckles here. I didn't know it has snap closures here, which I really like as well. So then you pull it open. Let's see what else we got. It comes with the Valentino tag. Okay, so this bag has suede on the sides, and inside there's also suede. So it's lined with suede, but the outside here is grained leather. Now it is pliable, so it's not as stiff as, say, a Birkin or the Birkin dupes that I designed with patches in the past. It definitely is far more pliable, and it does have 4 pegs down here to protect it when you set it down. And the handles feel beautiful. They're rolled handles, so they're very sturdy. And this is going to fit a whole bunch of stuff. I am going to be doing a purse switch out right now since I want to use this bag like immediately. So inside of the bag, it says Valentino registered trademark by Mario Valentino, made in Italy. So it has a huge zipper compartment here, and that's rather spacious. This bag is enormous. So this is the bag that I've been carrying. This was recently purchased for me for Christmas, and this is a Versace jeans bag. And I normally do not buy black bags, as I told you before, but this one had a lot of character, and my wife bought it for me for Christmas. I loved the lock and, of course, the chain. So I'm going to be doing a purse switch out really quickly. I've done a What's in My Bag video, which I'm not going to be doing right now. I'm just going to be switching stuff. So this is where I carry my makeup, most of which I don't use. I probably use 4 items in here. One of them being my tweezers. So that's gonna go in there because of course I have to carry that wherever I go. Oh, it comes with a little, oh, you know what it comes with? I'll show you as well. A little pouch here for your cell phone. My cell phone is massive. That thing is not fitting in here. But I guess you could put little card slot for your business cards or, you know, whatever you want to use it for. An authenticity card there. I'm going to be including, this is ridiculous. This is a whole blush thing and I bought it because I thought it was cool in doing so since I never buy makeup. So that is a blush. I have my wallet as well. I have dental floss, deodorant to put in there, 2 perfumes. I have a little thing of vitamins. I have my favorite blotting sheets ever, a Starbucks napkin. I have some natural pain pills, Formula 303, my glasses. I have Midol, 2 loose dollars. I'll put that in my wallet later. This bag is from my online store as well as this one. So this bag comes in 3 different colors and it comes in a color called Dahlia and Whiskey. Dahlia is like a magenta and Whiskey is a mustard color. Both beautiful, but I chose this one because it is just perfect for a black bag. It is, the gold hardware is definitely a selling point, and of course the soft grain leather is another. Now, all the items that are listed in my store I either own, recommend, or love, and a lot of the items that I use for my designs are also listed there. So if you want to take a browse, it's listed in every one of my videos. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put in here, vitamins, and then a nail file. So I'll organize it out later, but I did want to do a purse switch out. And I have some almonds and cashews here. Okay guys, so this bag is empty and this video is now over. If you enjoy videos like this, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. And if you're not subscribed, please do so down below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye. Literally just got lipstick all over it.